Hey there folks, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace our center console light bulb here on our Chevy Equinox. Now this service will be the same for all 2010s through 2017s. So first thing you're going to need are your bulbs. We're going to put LEDs in. These are bright white from a company called Oxido. They're a 194 style bulb. So I'll put a link in the description where you can get these, as well as a promo code. And then you're going to need a panel popper, which I have here. You can also use a flat edge screwdriver. So we're just going to reach in here and pop out. It comes out of the bottom first and it'll fall through just like that. And just be careful because it's hot. So what I like to do, this is the trigger that turns it off. So I like to turn it off immediately, let it cool down for about 10 seconds before you reach in and try and grab it. Then we're going to take out the light bulb just like that. Then you grab your new LED light, and these are a direct OEM plug and play fit. Just like that. So then we're just going to put this back into place the same way that we took it out. Tuck our wire in and just make sure that our trigger here goes into our top hole so that when we close our lid, it turns off. Just like that. And you're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. Makes everything look nice and luxurious. Big thanks to Oxido for sending us this. And as always, everybody, please don't forget to like and subscribe.